3, 2, 1.
Who are the original creators of Ratchet and Clank? The answer is D. Insomniac Games. In Washington, D.C., what does the C stand for? The answer is D. Columbia. Which song in rapper Kanye West's album The Life of Pablo features Rihanna? The answer is C. Famous. What is the main CPU is the Sega Mega Drive / Sega Genesis? The answer is C. Motorola 68000. What is the subtitle for Gran Turismo 3? The answer is C. A-Spec. In the Homestuck series, what is the alternate name for the Kingdom of Lights? The answer is D. Prospect. When did the Byzantine Empire collapse? The answer is B. 1453. In which 1973 film does Yul Brynner play a robotic cowboy who malfunctions and goes on a killing spree? The answer is C. Westworld. What TV show featured older women named Blanche, Rose, Dorothea, and Sophia? The answer is A. The Golden Girls. Which year was the album Year of the Snitch by Death Grips released? The answer is C. 2018. Which of the following was not developed by Bethesda? The answer is C. Fallout, New Vegas. Aperture Science CEO Cave Johnson is voiced by which American actor? The answer is B. J.K. Simmons. .NET is the top-level domain for what country? The answer is A. Austria. In the game Brawlhalla, what species is the character Birdvar is? The answer is C. Half human / half bear. In relation to the British occupation in Ireland, what does the IRA stand for? The answer is A. Irish Republican Army. Which German field marshal was known as the Desert Fox? The answer is A. Erwin Rommel. Which country does Austria not border? The answer is D. France. Where does Stephen King's IT take place? The answer is C. Derry, Maine. What is the name of the playable character in the 2018 video game Deltarune, Chapter 1? The answer is A. Chris. What is former United States President Bill Clinton's full name? The answer is A. William Jefferson Clinton. Which CS::GO esports team won the major event ESL One Cologne 2016? The answer is D. SK Gaming. In high school DxD, what is the name of the item some humans are born with? The answer is A. Sacred gear. Which of these is not considered a woodwind instrument? The answer is D. Trombone. Which of these jersey numbers has Shaquille O'Neal never worn? The answer is B. 35. Edson Arantes do Nascimento is the full name of which legendary football player? The answer is A. Pelé. Which two men are credited with independently discovering differential calculus? The answer is D. Newton and Leibniz. Which famous 90s rap album is commonly referred to as the Bible of hip-hop? The answer is A. Illmatic. What was the call sign of Commander William Adama in Battlestar Galactica 2004? The answer is A. Husker. What is a burgee? The answer is D. A flag. Who was among those killed in the 2010 Smolensk, Russia plane crash tragedy? The answer is B. The Polish president. Green Eggs and Ham is a book by which author? The answer is D. Dr. Seuss. Which of these Nickelodeon game shows aired first? The answer is B. Double Dare. Which famed architect, who died in 2019 aged 102, designed the glass pyramid at the Louvre Museum in Paris? The answer is D. The crown of the Empire State Building was originally built for what purpose? The answer is A. Airship dock. Unix time is defined as the number of seconds that have elapsed since when? The answer is B. Midnight, January 1, 1970. What was the original name of New York City? The answer is A. New Amsterdam. In Call of Duty, Zombies, completing which map's main Easter egg will reward you with the achievement, Little Lost Girl? The answer is D. Origins. What does the computer software acronym JVM stand for? The answer is B. Java Virtual Machine. The phrase accident waiting to happen is an example of what type of figure of speech? The answer is C. Idiom. If he was still alive, in what year would Elvis Presley celebrate his 100th birthday? The answer is D. 2035. In 1547, who became the first Tsar of Russia? The answer is D. Ivan the Terrible. The programming language Swift was created to replace what other programming language? The answer is A. Objective-C. The Proclaimers' I'm Gonna Be 500 Miles reached what position on the US Hot 100 charts in 1993? The answer is D. Third. How many legs is it biologically impossible for a centipede to have? The answer is C. 100. In what year was the first Transformers movie released? The answer is A. 1986. What is the capital of Suriname? The answer is D. Paramaribo. Which was the first M-rated video game developed by Squaresoft/Square Enix? The answer is D. Parasite Eve. Which of the following languages is used as a scripting language in the Unity 3D game engine? The answer is B. C#. What is the birth name of Michael King? The answer is A. Morris Micklehite. What is the capital of the state of Washington, United States?